Welcome back. Well, with the new year upon us, many of us challenge ourselves to lead healthier lifestyles, and that includes being more mindful about what we eat. But much of the time, our busy lives can get in the way. We're here to share a quick and delicious recipe, a couple actually, and tell us more about new cooking classes that offer a fun night out. We've got Chef Elizabeth Suvedi. She's from the Culinary Medicine Program at Corewell Health. That's the new name for Spectrum Health. Chef Elizabeth, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me today. It's great to be here.
We love having you, and you bring such a beautiful spread. Tell us about what we're going to make.
Okay, well, we are going to make a tomato white bean bruschetta. Okay. So we have some classes coming up. There's a lot of international themes. We have an Italian class, we have a Latin American class, sushi class, and so I thought today I'd let you make a bruschetta. Okay. But within a lot of our recipes, sometimes we like to tweak them a little bit, make them a little healthier. We know we don't want to tell people they're healthier because if we do, they won't want to eat it. So we just show them how delicious it is, and then they eat it, and then they're sold. They love it.
I think sometimes that is the key. People have to be sold on, you know, oh, this is healthy. Well, I don't want this, you know, and they have to taste it. So tell us, you know, we can explain some of the things that you brought with, because these go along with the classes that you're offering.
Yeah, so the first class we have is January 19th, and it is plant-based cooking in a hurry. So a lot of times people want to incorporate more of those plants we know we should be eating into our diet, but they don't know how to do it. They also don't have time. Yeah. So this first class we have is like, how do I do it quickly, but yet as a chef, it's got to be delicious. It has to be amazing. So this is from that class. This is kind of our breakfast bowl. So a great example of some roasted potatoes, sauteed spinach, some cilantro, beans, bell peppers. You could put a little salsa and avocado on that. Just like a nice quick, and again, you could prep it ahead of time and then have it in the morning as a nice quick thing.
Love that.
This is from our Latin American class. This is our tacos al pastor, and rather than using meat, we've used mushrooms.
Oh, okay.
So we've had people actually go to eat this, and they'll ask us what kind of meat is in there, and we'll say it's mushrooms, and they'll say, no, 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 the meat part. And we're like, no, that's mushrooms. So,
I love that.
But just really great flavors in there, and so that's in our Latin American class. Okay. And then sushi. Yeah. So we're going to show people how to roll sushi. A lot of times people get intimidated by it. We're going to have it be where it's like make your own, so we'll have lots of ingredients, and people get to make their own rolls and eat them. So those are just some of the examples of the classes we'll have coming up.
I love that. You're just empowering people to take better control of what they're eating.
Yeah, and it's fun because it's in the evening. It's at the Downtown Market in the Teaching Kitchen there. We partner with the Downtown Market, and they'll have a cash bar there, so people, if they want, they can purchase some wine or beer while they're cooking. And it's just a really fun social experience. People will come in with their, parents or with their girlfriends, or couples will come in, and it's just a really nice kind of night out. And I think that's what people need right now, especially in January and these winter months.
Absolutely.
Just get out and have some fun and have some good laughs, and then learn how to cook as well.
Right. It's all about the experience.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the nice thing at the end is there's a whole buffet of food, and everyone gets to eat everything. So it's fun to try it all. We send all the recipes home with everybody, so it's just a fun kind of all-around class. So, but you get to do some work now.
Yes, I'm excited. Okay, so
so go ahead and we've chopped up some tomatoes. You might need to use that spoon to kind of get them out. They kind of get stuck in there.
There we go.
And so then we're going to put some white beans in as well. So this is a great example of like a healthy fat, great source of protein and fiber. There's a little bit of salt and pepper in there as well. If you like it spicy, you could add some red pepper flakes. And then the garlic, which I think has filled the smell of the whole studio.
It smells so good in here. I wish everyone could smell it.
Yes,
all
some
the garlic.
Fresh minced garlic, and then a little bit of balsamic vinegar as well. So that's just going to give it that really nice acid, that bite, a little bit of sweetness as well from that balsamic vinegar.
Smells.
So this is a play on a bruschetta. We also have some fresh basil that I'll put on here as well to garnish when we're done. But essentially you would just take that and then put these on these pieces of toasted crostinis. The Downtown Market, there's that really nice Field and Fire there. You can get some nice baguettes there. And so it just makes for a really nice snack to give people. You could also at home, sometimes I'll mash the white beans and then I'll spread that on the bread and then I'll put that on top. Yep.
I am not, I'm not graceful in the kitchen.
You did a great job. You jumped right in. Yes. This is great.
I'm afraid to jump in. I'm just,
So if people want to sign up for our classes, they can go to our website. It's right now it's still spectrumhealth.org/lifestyle medicine programs. All of our classes are listed there. For people that are not looking to leave their house, we do have virtual classes as well, so it's always a great option. We have a tofu versus tempeh class coming up that's virtual that people always find that interesting and unique because they don't know much about tofu and tempeh. And then just some other classes that are good if you're just looking for that general education or just something to do with your family at home in the kitchen.
I love it. I love it. Chef Elizabeth, thank you so much. And so this first one coming up is the plant-based, right? Okay. And that, if you want any more information on all of that, when the classes are, how to get involved, spectrumhealth.org/lifestyle medicine programs. We'll be right back.
Awesome. Thank you.